What's up, people? Cassie here from Passive Fashion Online Income, and today's video I just want to give you guys quick updates about my upcoming trip to Washington DC. As you can see, I'm right now at the business class lounge of Dubai International Airport. Dubai, yes, this is the place where I stay, where I live, and where I run my I would say 70% of my businesses are run from Dubai. For people who do not know, it all started from my offline businesses, from my beauty salon, grooming services companies, my t-shirt designing business, my drop shipping business. That's how I really got started with my businesses, So anyways, if you've been watching me, if you've been following my videos on my channel, you pretty much know who I am and what I do. In regards to my upcoming trip to Washington DC, yeah, I'll be leaving in an hour from now. Currently the time is 1:05 a.m. I'm going to Washington DC primarily for two things. One is to work on the video course, alright, and second is to help a student of mine to create her own video course. Now, initially the plan was to fly to Tennessee, where my student is based in, and help her, design the course, record videos, give her different topics that is related or relevant to the whole subject or to the whole curriculum of a program, thereby creating a solid, efficient course for her followers. So that was the initial plan. However, due to the bad weather in Tennessee, I had to basically change my plans and decide to fly down to Washington DC. And what she's going to be doing is she's going to be coming to Washington DC, and then we're going to be working together on the course. That is one. Talking about the self-publishing course in French language, 40% of the work has been done. All right, we are still in progress, and probably in the next week or so we will be done. We'll be done with all the video recordings, and probably by June or July we will be ready to roll. So that's the update for the French course, right? So in case of some of you who've been waiting for the course, want to know the updates, so here it is. What else? Okay, so French course, the video course, business psychology course for my student who's coming from Tennessee, and yeah, also going to be doing some property hunting because I'm planning to invest in Virginia, which is close from Washington DC. We'll be going and scouting for some properties out there. Yep, you gotta be investing in real estate, Mike. If you ain't investing in real estate, you're just happy with your so-called small world of self-publishing, then you need to fucking get out of it. Yep, it ain't gonna make you rich. If you're just thinking that self-publish, you can keep publishing books and keep publishing and keep growing rich, that ain't gonna happen. It may make you financially free, but if you want to be rich, if you want to be a millionaire, you really want to own companies, you want to invest in companies, you want to own assets, you want to expand your businesses, then you gotta get out of your comfort zone. And this is mainly for those youngsters, who lately I see have been taking success into their heads. They just feel that the moment they start making 10 grand per month or even 5 grand per month, they think that they own the world. Oh boy, I've lately been hearing some really strange and funny stories of guys, just blowing out all their money on silly and stupid stuff, trying to show off. See, as I said in one of my videos called "Is Bragging a Cool Thing?" I talk on the subject of bragging. If you haven't watched it, you guys need to watch it. All right. So show off to the people with an intention to make a positive impact. Don't show off with a purpose to try to put down someone or to try to belittle someone. That ain't cool, guys. That ain't cool. Okay. Focus on goals, accomplish your goals, and then move on to the next level. Because if you're just going to stay in that small hole or in that small rabbit hole, you're going to expand. You can keep publishing for years, you can keep publishing for decades, but that isn't gonna give you those skills which are gonna be required to make you into a well-rounded and into a well-developed entrepreneur. So you need to be working on those new skills, develop new businesses, create new businesses, create jobs. The more jobs you create, the more successful you become. Alright? Don't just rely on one stream of income, guys. You gotta be creating multiple streams of income. You wanna be rich, wanna be successful? That's the way to go about it. Don't just rely on one stream of income. Self-publishing is good. It ain't bad. Alright? It is good. But use it as a stepping stone. Use it as a stepping stone to start a venture. Use it as a stepping stone to grow your business. But once you've set things up, once you've established your business, you gotta move to the next level, guys. You can't keep resting on your laurels. Yeah. Now, that brings me to another question. A student of mine who's doing really well with self-publishing business, currently I'm training and mentoring him with the affiliate marketing business. So he started doing really well, and the reason for his success is because he's a hustler. All right. Now, if you want to start things with a bang in the world of affiliate marketing, try to work on your hustling skills, and that is what has helped me too. If I'm able to bring in every month significant amount of cash into my accounts, that's because of my strong hustling skills. Anyways, I don't want to get too deep into the topic right now, okay? Because I may reveal or squeal out some important strategies of mine, which I only mentor and share with my mentees. So I'm not gonna reveal all those details out here, but just take this tip. Try to work on your hustling skills, okay? Watch as many programs that you can, which enhances your hustling skills, and yeah, get working on it as well at the same time. Try to start your affiliate marketing journey or venture from the offline world. Okay, try to close deals, try to make sales, try to market stuff to as many people as you can in the offline market, and then once things starts picking up, then you can foray into the online world. Doing affiliate marketing in the online world is pretty much easy, because once you create and set up your effective sales funnels, from there, you can just keep constantly bringing in the traffic and constantly keep making the sales. But the offline world is the most challenging part. If you cannot close a deal, if you cannot basically initiate a conversation with a new client, with a new customer, then you ain't gonna have fun. You just get fed up, and ultimately you would even give up. So, want to make things happen with affiliate marketing? Be a hustler. Become a hustler first. Work on your selling and marketing skills more, because end of the day, it's all about sales. Every Tom, Dick and Harry out here is a salesman, okay? Including the doctors, including engineers, including lawyers. Everyone has to sell something, because if they ain't selling, they ain't gonna bring food to the table. And mark my words, anyone who underestimates the power of sales, anyone who underestimates the power of marketing, people who are just going to sit back, relax, and think that everything's going to run on its own. No, absolutely not. Only fools do that. Only fools think that way. And if that's how they're going to be working, by the time the next recession comes, their heads are going to be chopped off. It's going to happen. Never rest on your laurels, guys. No matter what it is, try to keep challenging yourself. Keep challenging yourself. Keep working on new businesses. Keep working on new ideas. Keep developing new strategies, new programs, new companies, whatever it is. But keep stretching yourself. Keep expanding yourself. Not keep expanding yourself. I mean, keep expanding your business. Your businesses. Because if you keep expanding yourself, you'll become like me, which I don't want you to become. I need to start hitting the gym, guys. It's been a while now since I haven't gone to the gym. But yeah, part and parcel of the game. As you keep building companies, as you become a millionaire, you've got lots and lots of responsibilities to do. Oh, and that also brings me to the other important topic of charity. If you guys ain't doing charity, please do charity. Okay, I would say one main reason for my success is because I'm a very generous guy. I love being a philanthropist, and I think there's also one main reason why God blesses me a lot. So I don't do it just for the sake of being blessed, but it's more about feeling, getting that sense of fulfillment, getting that sense of compassion that you do once you help people. So that's it from me for now, guys. I'll be coming with more videos soon. I've got a few more minutes left till I board my flight. Right, talk to you guys soon. You take care. God bless. Hey, what's up, people? Just got into the aircraft. Yeah. Well, it's an A380 aircraft, to my surprise, and excuse me, I couldn't resist having a lovely champagne. It's beautiful business class. Yeah, it looks massive, quite enormous. And the remote on the right. This is the TV screen out here. Lots of room out here for the legs. I'm going to stretch it out. I just got my blankets. I'm gonna take that off later on. Yeah, so excited, all set to take off to Washington, D.C. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Alright, you guys take care of yourself. Be good, do good, and stay safe. Keep crushing it and keep making lots of money. Goodbye. God bless.